Your new Bosch oven comes with a variety of different accessories designed to make cooking the perfect meal an easy and enjoyable experience. Our pans are specially designed for the steam oven with recipes written and tested for these accessories. This way, you'll know you can get the perfect results every time, no matter which technique you're using. The full-size baking pan is perfect for baking fluffy, moist cakes. It can also be used to catch dripping liquid while using the steam function, keeping your oven just a little bit cleaner. The perforated baking pan is designed for steaming fish and vegetables to crisp perfection, extracting sweet, delicious juice from berries and so much more. The wire rack is excellent for supporting cake pans, casserole dishes, and ramekins. You can also place meats directly on the rack with a baking pan below to catch the drippings. Half-size pans are perfect for cooking smaller dishes. The water tank, located on the right side of the steam oven, holds enough water for up to 2 hours of steam cooking. Use fresh tap water or plain, non-carbonated bottled water to fill the water tank. Distilled water is not recommended. To take the best care of your water tank, it's important to note that the tank is not dishwasher safe. As the steam oven cooks, the water level will go down. Occasionally, the oven may alert you to refill the tank. When this occurs, remove the tank, refill it with tap water, and place it back to continue cooking. After you've finished using the steam function, empty the water tank by pouring out any remaining liquid and thoroughly dry the lid seal and the slot where the tank resides.